My name is Angelica. I'm a Year 12 high school student, and I am half Lisu Burmese and half Australian. I'm here today to represent the Lisu Kachin community. We, as the Kachin Lisu people, we are fully support the disobedience movement. We are against the evil actions of Myanmar, and we stand with all the rebellions, and we will never stop fighting until we have our democracy back. 2 years ago, I visited Myanmar. It was such a beautiful country and connecting with my mother's place. And now look, there's blood everywhere, people are dying. This is terrible. As you know, the Myanmar dictatorship is refusing their loss in the election. They are terrorists in their own country. And I would like to say something to the dictatorship. Disgusting! The shame you bring on us, Myanmar people. How dare you use your violent power against us? How dare you rape, torture, kill? And for what? The Myanmar dictatorship does not want the Myanmar people to be educated enough to challenge them in politics. They want to continue the dictatorship. And they are doing this so our people will never go against them. And they want to continue. Well, guess what? We will win this war. I refuse for Myanmar to be a dead country. We refuse for Myanmar to be a dead country. I stand here in front of you. I'm not scared of bullets. I'm not scared of the Myanmar military. Because today we have the opportunity to peacefully protest in the safeness of Australia, while our friends and families are stuck in Burma in fear of their lives. Free Mother Aung San Suu Kyi, thank you.
Thank you, Angelica. She didn't have a plan. We just requested.